Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Lucent Global Dishwasher Detergent Sheets. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. These dishwasher detergent sheets are mess-free and super convenient to be able to use without having to deal with spills, waste, or bulky bottles. Plus, it is already pre-measured, making it very simple to just toss it into the dishwasher and use it to start cleaning my dishes very easily, conveniently, and mess-free. These dish detergent sheets have a powerful clean that is able to cut through grease, grime, or baked on food very easily. Plus, it is also free of many of the harsh chemicals, giving us a safe and effective clean. This is great for dishwashers, hand washing, or even to soak some stubborn pots and pans. Each of the sheets is equal one full load, making it a versatile option that is highly efficient with optimal performance. If you are in the market for easy and convenient dishwasher detergent sheets, this is definitely worth looking into.